This is a company training video about learning how to read blueprints. Today, you will learn how to navigate a set of blueprints and find the information you are looking for within them. We will cover the different pages or sheets. We will cover the contents and details within each page. We will also discuss what to do if there are errors or conflicts of information within the blueprint.
Pages within a blueprint include the title sheet or T sheet, architectural sheets or A sheets, structural sheets or S sheets, grading plan or site plan titled GP, C, or SP sheets, electrical plan or E sheets. Not every set of plans will have all of these sheets, but a well-made set of plans will. Let's take a closer look at the title page. Information you will find on the T sheet may include the address, name of project, architectural or engineering firm who drew the plans, an image of the project or building, and most importantly, the drawing index or collection of pages that make up the whole set of blueprints. The A sheets. Architectural plans or A sheets are the workhorse of a set of blueprints. They usually show the floor plans, sections details such as wall sections, roof plan, elevation pages, window and door schedules, demo plans if applicable, and other important information. Let's take a closer look at areas of this architectural sheet. On the lower right corner are the following information: project name, project address, name or architect of record, plans date, and page number. Architectural sheets also show floor plans like a bird's eye view of the building. They may have details like dimensions, wall layout, cabinet placement, door and window placement. Different walls usually have different wall hatch patterns. There are also symbols that represent different wall details within the building. For example, this floor plan references wall detail B on sheet A7 and detail A on sheet A6. Notice the configuration of the arrow markers on these details. One is pointing up and the other to the left. The arrows represent which way you will be facing while looking at that detail. This is section A of sheet A6. A wall detail or wall section is a view of the building, if you can imagine cutting a cake in half and looking at the interior of that cake. Similar concept here. They are helpful in determining the way the walls are to be constructed, how structural elements come together, and at what elevation. Here is another section detail. It is detail B located on sheet A7. Here you can see structural elements of the walls and front window and door. In addition to dimensions, details, written explanations for construction details, it can also show the aesthetics elements of a building. Another type of architectural page are elevation views. They are views of the exterior of a building or structure, usually designated by north, south, east, and west, but usually represents front, rear, left, and right. The information found here are window and exterior door location, building height, roof shape, overall building size, and sometimes they discuss exterior finishes and cladding. Cladding are parts of a building that are fastened to the exterior, such as roof material, soffit and fascia material, etc. Architectural plans can have numerous different schedules. Schedules are charts that have important information. You can see here two schedules: the door schedule and the window schedule. These schedules show a letter or number icon that labels each window or door. It also shows the type and size of a door or window. Schedules can also show quantity of the window, door, or other item being shown. Other common schedules include hardware schedules, finishes schedule, appliance schedules, etc. Structural sheets are very similar to architectural sheets. They may show floor plans, elevations, and section details. In addition to these, there may be foundation plans as well. Foundations are the part of the building that holds up the rest of the structure above. The difference between architectural and structural pages is that architectural sheets show more of the design elements and structural sheets show the structural details such as concrete, framing, steel, and other structural elements. S sheets can also have schedules. although they are more likely to be foundation schedules, wall type schedules, beam schedules, etc. Electrical plans or E-sheets show electrical components and circuits within the building or structure. They usually have a legend which describes the different icons used within the electrical plan. The icons represent different electrical components or fixture. The electrical plan is usually a simplified version of an architectural floor plan. The grading plan, site plan, civil plan, are usually interchangeable. They have the sheet designation of C sheet, GP sheet, or SP sheet. Grading plans usually show the building within the survey. They also give elevation markers telling the contractor how high with respect to sea level the land must be. The grading plan should also show the site drainage plan. This is a collection of elevation markers which will allow rain runoff to flow in a planned way. Other information shown on site plans or grading plans may be trees, utilities, drainage pipes, lot boundary markers, adjacent or nearby roads, and have a north compass orientation symbol. This has been an introduction to blueprint reading. We have covered the various sheets within a plan. In our future video, you will learn more in-depth information found within a set of blueprints, how to perform material takeoffs, and how to visualize the different materials and components that make up a building or structure.